How to download a thumbnail on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any of your video thumbnails directly through the YouTube Studio app on your Android device. First, make sure your YouTube Studio app is fully up to date from the Google Play Store before getting started, as older versions may not have this feature. After that, open the YouTube Studio app on your Android device. From there, tap on Content at the bottom of the screen to see all your uploaded videos. At this point, find the video whose thumbnail you want to download and tap on the pencil icon next to it. In the next step, once the video details page loads, tap on the pencil icon again at the top left corner of the thumbnail. Following this, you'll now see a Download Thumbnail option on the screen. Once done, tap on the download icon and you'll see a confirmation message saying Thumbnail Downloaded. Finally, open your Gallery app to confirm that the thumbnail has been successfully saved to your device. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you download your video thumbnail, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.